Good morning. Welcome to your snowed in workout. This is my assistant that will be helping me. He'll be wandering in and out, I'm sure, of the video, but that's okay. We're going to get started. So this morning what we're going to do is 40 seconds on, 10 seconds off, 5 rounds. And some of the exercises are going to be a little challenging for you, so I'm going to try and modify so there will be pauses within the workout. It's going to be short, sweet, and to the point. If you're feeling like a little overwhelmed, just take a moment, get some water, and just jump back in when you can. Okay, the first exercise is going to be, all you need are either a set of stairs or a chair. I apologize, I have this pole, holding my house up, so I'm not going to use the stairs very much because you can't really see me. But you're welcome to use your stairs. I've got this chair here as well. The first exercise, though, you don't need the chair. You're going to do burpees and calf raises. So we turn to the side so you can see. So burpee is just down, out, in, and then you're going to raise up to your calves. I would say jump, but if you're in a space like me, I can touch the ceiling here. So we're just going to focus on lifting and getting up into the calves. You're welcome to jump, but I really prefer that you focus on the calf muscles for this exercise. We'll be doing enough cardio-based stuff. You don't need any equipment other than your chair or your stairs. Okay, so you're all set. Okay, here we go. Now, if you need to modify, you can just step back with one leg. You can lunge. You can squat rather than going all the way down. You can step back and in. You make it work for you. Okay, you have 10 seconds to rest before we do it again. Again, if you need to modify, you can squat and go to calf raises. Or you can go down to the floor and step back. Here we go. I don't know if you can see Archer, but he is doing his burpees as well. Yes, you are. Nice job. The good thing about doing timed workouts is you can go at your own pace. Huh. Okay, 10 seconds to rest. Get water, whatever you need. Heart rate's a-going. Yep, you're resting. Here we go. Rest is over. Archer's taking a water break, and you are welcome to do the same. Excellent. Breathe. Doing very well. Here we go. Rest. I'm just providing a little entertainment. I don't know if he's in the frame or not, but he's entertaining me. Ready? Go! Come on, push through it. Hello. And rest. Very nice. Good job. And that's your 5. Okay, if you need a quick sip, that's great while I demonstrate the next exercise. We're going to do, excuse me, next round is mountain climbers and tricep dips. So you want to grab your chair or your step. Okay. You're welcome to do your mountain climbers on the elevated surface here. And you're going to pull your knees up. 3 and 4. So that's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And then you're going to grab your chair right here. And either with straight legs or bent legs, you're going to dip. 2, 3, 4. Okay? Now, as you can see, my chair is not that sturdy, so you have to be careful. If you have problems with your wrists, you can grab something, a water bottle, a weight, do tricep kickbacks. That's fine. But try really hard to just keep the elbows in as tight as you can. You want them on either side, hands on either side of your bum. Okay? Ready? 4 mountain climbers, 4 tricep dips. 2 and 3 and 4. Yep. Okay. I think it's a little hard to twist for some of you, probably myself. So let's do 10 and 10. Let's make it less. So we're going to do 10 of these. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 9 and 10. That way we're at the same place a little longer. So 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1 and 2, abs in and 4 and. Finish it, even though I'm supposed to be resting, but that's okay. Resting is optional. Yeah. Here we go. Get those knees up. Hi, peekaboo. Good. Make sure you're bending those elbows and not just dropping the hips.